In this short video, you'll learn how to use the push-button lever lock. To unlock, press the star key, enter your PIN, and then press the star key again. Now turn the lever and the latch will retract. To lock, simply press any key. Turn the lever to ensure the latch stays in the locked position. When you are checking out of the property, press the star key, enter the 6-digit checkout code, and then press the star key again. The property management company is now notified of your departure. Thank you for viewing this video.